Just say hello. Hello.
Yes, I will say hello back. Good morning. At dahil hindi mabuti, maganda ang panahon ngayon, tayo ay lalabas ng bahay. Pupunta kami ngayon sa isang park dito sa Invercargill. So, hindi ko pa alam anong park, kaya mamaya sabihin ko sa inyo. Okay? So, let's go!
And then we'll walk in.
So, ayan, malapit na kami, guys. Ayan, mag-adventures. Tayo ay mag-adventures ng walking. Walking in the park with no sweat ever. Dahil today, it's how many degrees, huh? Ayan, finally we are here at Thompson's Bush. So let's go. Ang lamig. So today is 13 degrees outside. So look at that. It's golden leaves. Ooh. So they have toilets. Where are we? How many minutes? Oh, look at the dogs. So they have like a river. Let's go. So let's start walking. It's so sunny, but it's cold. So, Uy, sa sunglasses, diba?
We'll be in the bush for most of this.
Are we?
Yeah. This is probably all of that. It's a walkway. It's all in trees.
It's cold now. No sun. How many minutes kaya this one, huh?
All kinds of walks in here, huh? A bit like Queen's Park, I guess. Just
20, 30.
Yeah, something like that. Depends on which path you take. You do a long walk, short walk.
You can park pala here.
I thought that defeat the purpose, really.
It is golden. Golden. And the tree leaves are golden. What?
Pick up your poo.
Pick up your poo, the dogs?
So we've...
Where were we?
Well, we entered from here, around here, out and back out to here, to the main road. I don't know how long that loop is, huh?
It's small man.
Yes.
So we chose this bridge and starting point.
That white car is.
When we
If we do it correctly, we'll come out where that white car is.
Exercise. Is it this? It is.
We have to look on.
So, ayan, baka nawala na kami. Dito na kami sa kagubatan. So it's really so cold.
I think I prefer the one over by Oriti Beach than this one. You know, that one that we did last time?
Yeah, the 20 minutes walk.
Yeah, whatever it was. Yeah, where we walked out in the open, then we went into the bush. This one's a bit... Ew.
Yeah, but at least we can say, okay, we've tried there.
That's correct, huh?
Yes. Sige. Sige. Cold. So, bawal ang bike, push bike, or anything. Just walking. Walk with the dogs. Ayan, it's allowed. But, mga push bike, no. So, di namin alam saan kami punta. Ang daming daan. Ang daming daan. See? Ang dami, meron dyan, meron din dito. Dito? Or dito? So, dito kami sa left side. Amig. Hindi ko kaya. Super lamig. At least today it's 13 degrees, but sometimes it's really like 2 degrees, 7 degrees, 8 degrees. Sige. So ayan, yung ibon maririnig nyo dito. Tsaka kumakanta at sumasayaw. Char lang yung sumasayaw. Look at those trees. Ooh. There's what's that lake? Okay, it's a river. So where was the...
It takes us back to the road.
That's so easy.
It's very short tracks.
Jeez.
Really short. Like, those people must have either walked around in circles.
So ayan siya. Parang ang ano lang nung truck. Ang bilis lang ng walking. Ay, let's go another truck hunt. We go to the bridge. We're not going to the finish line. We're gonna go back to the bridge.
No, you have to go right, huh? Not left, right.
This is right, left.
Left. No, we have to go right.
So we're gonna go
left, we're going back the way we came. I'm saying left.
Ooh, look at this.
Get ahead of me first.
This is the walking that I Let's go, guys. Let's walk around Thompson's bush. So, ito yung mga puno na tinanim ko years ago. So, maganda na sila. Ang daming puno, kaya malamig. Tara, let's go.
You probably need a mic or something on your thing.
They're not gonna hear me.
I don't know.
Okay. She said, let's go right. So, left, right, left, let's go right. Okay. Oh, yan. Hey, something inside my...
Beautiful video picture, mate.
Talking. The insect go inside my mouth. Oh my god.
Beautiful.
So the sun is here. So we're going another track. Let's go. So now we're torn between 4 roads. This first road, second road, and third road, and fourth road. So saan kami ngayon? Liliko. Left or right? How do you say left or right? Okay, we're going straight. Is it? So we are lost at the moment. Baka hindi na kami makabalik sa car. Ay, we're gonna sleep under the bush. Bush? Gubat lang yan. Gubat lang yan sa atin. Dito bush. O, diba? Sana gubat. It's we're in the bridge already. The bridge. We're not lost. Bridge. River. Ayan, start na kami sa another track. Hindi namin alam saan ito papunta. Pero sunny dito. It's a sunny day. That's why it's nice to walk around sa kagubatan. Tingnan mo yung sky. It's so blue. No clouds at all. Minsanan lang ganito ang weather. Na grabe ka blue. And so sunny. Sobrang dali ng another track na ginawa namin. Patapos na po siya. Ayan na yung finish line, parking area. Man, that's our car lagi.
It's not that far, mate.
Dili? It's red kasi. Finish. Ano, yan na yun kanina. Playground and the end of the line. And a nice tree, golden leaves tree. So that's it. So, ayan mga ka-adventures, tapos na tayo mag-walking dito sa Thompson Bush sa Invercargill, South Island, New Zealand. So, thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!